To change the clock style on your lock screen on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find wallpaper and style. Tap wallpaper and style and then tap the lock screen thumbnail. Next, tap clock. Here, your phone will show you some clock styles that you can use. You can tap each style to see how it will look like when it's applied. As the example, we will select the clock style, which will show you the date and time and today's schedule. To do so, tap the clock style with today's schedule and then tap done button to save the change. To see the result, go to your lock screen. You can see that now your phone is displaying the clock with today's schedule on your lock screen. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.